Oh! Oh, shoot. Oh. Hi, as promised, I'm going to unbox these things that I bought personally using the money that I earned from being a TikTok and Amazon affiliate. I'm following this content creator and lagi niyang sinasabi na sometimes if you wanted to make a good content, you need to invest on things. The number one thing is your mic. Meron ako mga ibang gamit. I do have this old mic that I'm using. I also have this tripod that I'm using right now. And for the lights, I'm using our lamps. Gusto ko nang bumili noon pa. Pero naisip ko, I'm going to use the money that I earn from being an affiliate. Para at least naman, di ba, you can see the hard work na ginawa mo, yung mga sleepless nights, taking videos, editing. So, inipon ko talaga siya. And until such time na sabi ko, I think it's the right time for me to buy. I got my tripod from Craft Gig. Before I bought products, I read the reviews. And this has a very good review. And also, ang dami ko na rin sa friends ko sa TikTok, ang dami ko nakikita gamit nilang Craft Gig. So, I tried it. And this is in white color. Super obsessed ako sa white. Hindi ko alam kung bakit. The packaging is so cute. Yoo-hoo! I got it! Ang tagal ko nang gustong bumili nito. It's MagSafe. Ito yung mga old na gamit ko is super low lang. So, kailangan kong gumamit ng chair para tumaas. So, yan siya. And it's in color white. Oh! May pa ganun. Of course, gagawin ko nito ng video. Baka magka-commission ulit tayo. DJI mic. This is the big one. Parang Apple. Na-excite ako dito. Ang Apple yung pabukas niya. Products ng Apple. Ang dami ko rin kasi nakikitang gumagamit ng DJI sa mga friends ko sa TikTok. So, hi sa mga friends kong meron ng DJI. Ako ngayon pa lang ako magkakaroon. It comes with the bag, the accessories inside. And also, I got the color. Guess what? White! And I got the smaller version kasi kinuha ko to siguro pag lalabas kami outdoor para hindi siya masyadong kita. Ba't ayaw mabuksan? Ay, hindi ko pala tinanggal. The mini has bag too. Ang cute ng bag niya. Kakaiba. Magkaiba sila ng bag. Oh, meron siyang charger. This is it. Super liit. Ang cute niya. Tapos, magnetic siya. So, you can just put it here. Chaneng! I'm going to make another video about this too. Baka magka-commission na naman tayo. The last, yung biggest one, is my ring light. Guess what? Kung anong kulay na naman to. It's in color... Uy, nakita. White! Sorry, na-obsess ako sa color white. Linis niya kasing tignan for me. Sorry, hindi ko na siya muna masyadong i-unbox kasi gagawan ko siya ng separate video, each product. Kasi baka magka-commission ulit tayo. Super nakaka-happy lang, nakaka-proud lang. Kasi at least you can buy these things without using your own money, but you know, using from the earnings that you have. Gusto ko lang i-share because for me, this is a big win. I'm not a big content creator. Gosh, I know, I'm just, compared to others, I'm just nothing. I'm just starting. But for me, this is a very big win. Pero ang cute nito. Ang cute ng DJI. Excited akong gamitin. Yun lang. Thank you for watching and see you in the next unboxing. Bye!